सो हेलो दोस्तों, आज मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ ब्रिंजल के बारे में। तो आप देख सकते हैं कि ये ब्रिंजल है, ग्रीन ब्रिंजल। आप देखिए कितने सारे ग्रीन ब्रिंजल से हैं। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and one more is here 16. These 16 brinjals, in one single pot and one single tree. So 16 brinjals which are sufficient at least for a family of 4 3 times. So the bigger one you can just pick it up. So gradually it is for the 4-5 times, and again the new fruiting will start and will keep on coming. So this is a very small pot. You can see this green pot. So it is hardly say 9-inch deep and spread around say 12-inch. So you can just put this organic compost, mixed of the organic compost and the soil, garden soil, and the coco pit. So 30% coco pit, 30% organic compost, and 30% garden soil. So you can mix it, you can fill up the pot and sow the seeds or this brinjal plant. So after say 2 or 3 months you will see such type of fruitings after the flowers and all those things. You will keep on getting such fruits. So this is the basically rooftop garden. On the rooftop garden simply one pot is there, so we can irrigate it either in the morning or in the evening fully or both the time. So since it is in the sun, so we generally irrigate it in the morning little bit and in the evening little bit. So this is the green brinjal. In the same way I am having one more brinjal, 1 or 2. So friends, you can see one more pot brinjal. You can see the brinjal. This is the another variety of brinjal. This one, this, and lot of fruiting. This is the, I think, 9th or 10th time these fruits are coming. It means 9 or 8 time we have already taken lot of fruits from this brinjal tree. So friend, this pot is little bit bigger one. You can see. So this is the another type of brinjal. So we have one more tree of brinjal, and that is this one. This one round shaped brinjal. You can see brinjals are coming in this. This is also in one pot. So we are having 3-4 pots, especially for the brinjal. So we can get green brinjal, long brinjal, round brinjal. So you can also have the brinjals like this. Thank you friends. It's very easy to grow brinjals in a pot. Just have this organic soil, compost and coco pit mixed. Fill up the pot and plant either the seed or the small brinjal tree. After say 2 months you will start getting such type of fruits. Thank you.